Welcome to Saob Cave, Basay, Samar. At dahil galing tayo sa Sunkissed Beach Resort dito sa Marabot, Samar, dadaanan natin tong isang cave along the way going back to Tacloban. Ito yung Saob Cave. So tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Mabuhay, mabaysay nga adlaw, puswag ka mo ha, Saob Cave, Basay, Samar. ₱20 entrance. Ano pong meron sa loob, ate?
Mga souvenir, sa unahan mga recognition, mga naglalarang.
Dito pa lang sa entrance, mafe-feel mo na medyo malamig yung pakiramdam. Dala siguro ng mga bato. So Saob Cave is located in the heart of Basay, Samar. It's the nearby town lang ng Marabot. So paglabas nyo ng Marabot, Samar, it's one of the first things that you will see. Coming from Sunkissed Beach Resort, it's located on the right side of the road. Ang ganda ng mga towering formations ng limestones. Tapos there's also a lot of greens. And makikita natin dito yung mga naghahabi o naglalala ng mga souvenirs. So ito gumagawa sila ng banig. And then some of them are making some bags, hats. So ito yung mga sample souvenirs nila. So yung pinaka-interesting na question dito is why in so many places people would want to weave itong mga souvenirs na to under a cave. So actually yung ginagamit nilang material dito is called tikog. Ito yung raw material na ginagamit nila sa paghabi or pagweave. And the cool temperature here sa Saob Cave is conducive for tikog. So nami-maintain niya yung quality. Madaming magagandang caves dito sa Samar. So one of the nice caves na napuntahan ko is yung Sohoton Cave. Malapit lang siya dito din sa may Basay. And magaganda rin mga rock formation tsaka mga limestone just like this. Hindi siya ganun kalakihan na cave. Hindi rin siya yung conventional cave na you will enter a pitch dark na parang lagusan. This one is like an open cave pero talagang ma-appreciate mo yung coolness dito sa ilalim ng mga bato. Tapos may mga greens dyan, mga halaman, mga tanim. So it's a relaxing view. Pwede ka namang tumambay dito if you want. Meron silang mga parang mini cottages here that you can use or rent. Tapos yun, just enjoy the view. Eto, explore muna natin yung cave para makita natin yung mga stalactites, tsaka mga stalagmites, and yung mga magagandang limestones.
Keep the sky on your mind.
Ito yung mga cottages nila na pwede nyong i-rent. You can definitely bring some food just to enjoy a quick meal or even snacks while experiencing the nice, amazing view of the Salve Cave.
And then meron silang parang greenhouse. Okay? It's a greenhouse.
May greenhouse sila dito when we came pero wala pa siyang laman. So they are probably going to put some nice vegetation here inside.
Nasa tayo.
So ito maganda yung greenhouse nila. May mga droplets kaming naramdaman kanina coming from the ceiling ng cave. So kaya siguro nabuo tong mini pond na to for these fishes. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video. Please also subscribe so you can follow along with my journey. Please also turn on that notification bell so you can get notified on my new videos. Thank you.
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Inspect natin closely yung mga souvenir items nila dito. Maganda naman yung quality tsaka yung mga designs tsaka talaga mukhang matibay. Range yung prices ng bags nila from 1,000 to 3,000 depending of siguro kung gaano kalaki tsaka yung design.
Terus man is style.
2,000. Yung 2,000 ang bag. This one is 2,800. Sorry, 1,800.
Nakakatuwang pagmasdan yung mga locals natin dito. Nagkakaroon sila ng livelihood through tourism. So you guys can help and be a part of this growing community by just simply visiting Salve Cave and maybe purchasing one of their souvenir items. That's it for today's vlog, and thank you all for watching and stay safe always.